Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a Pinterest profile for copyright. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now tap on the search icon and then search for the Pinterest profile you want to report. Tap any of the pin from them and then select their profile picture. Now tap on the three dots icon beside the follow button and then select report. After that, tap on the My Intellectual Property option and then finally select on report content you believe infringes your copyright option. Now fill the form and then finally tap on the submit button, and that's it. This is how you can report a Pinterest profile for copyright. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.